Hi everyone, I'm Sangya Ocha from the Puppetarians and I am here to specially say a big thank you to each one of you for helping us reach the 10K subscribers mark. Yes, we've gotten there finally with your love and support and encouragement. So I want to say a big thank you to each one of you. Today, we've got a very unique, very cute puppet making video for you. So let's get started.
Hello puppetry enthusiasts. Welcome to the Puppetarians YouTube channel. Mother's Day is just around the corner. So let's make a very cute and very easy mom puppet. You can make this puppet and tell stories with it, sing songs with it, or simply wish your mom a happy Mother's Day with it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, let's collect the material we need to make this puppet. A plastic water bottle. It's great if you can find the smallest water bottle there is. A white TT ball or ping pong ball. You can also use a paper ball, a big pom-pom ball, or a thermocol ball. A long wooden skewer or any kind of stick really. Any colorful piece of cloth that you may have lying around. Few scraps of different colored cloth. A small scrunchie, the band that we tie our hair with. If you don't have a scrunchie at home, you can simply use a rubber band. That's alright too. Some wool to make the puppet's hair. A small piece of paper, slightly thick paper, cardboard or craft paper. Some color, we are mainly going to use the skin color. Some felt pens or sketch pens, especially in the color brown, black and red. Scissors and some glue. A small pom-pom ball, skin colored or orange or yellow colored. And a tiny safety pin too. Let's start making our mom puppet. First of all, grab the white ball and punch a hole in it. You can use scissors or any sharp object really. Remember, you can always take your parents or your siblings' help for this. Now put the stick or the skewer you have inside that hole. Now get your colors. We are mainly going to need the skin color from this palette. You can also create the skin color by mixing white and a little bit of brown or pink or yellow. However you want to create the skin color for your puppet. Now coat the TT ball with this skin color. Remember, you may need to use 2 or 3 coats till you get the color of your liking. Remember to also color the stick a little bit just below the TT ball. Now let it dry. Let's work on the bottle now. First of all, remove any branding from the bottle. And also remove the bottle cap. Now we need to punch a hole on the bottle as well. At the very bottom, at the center of the bottle. Use your scissors or any sharp object to create that hole. Again, be careful with it. Take someone's help if you need. There you go. Now put that skewer with the TT ball on it. See if the color has dried and put the skewer into the bottle. And put that skewer through that hole at the bottom of the bottle as well. Now this contraption is the base of our puppet. This is the whole body and the head. Now let's cover it. The kind of material that I have at home, it's a little see-through. So I have folded my piece of cloth in 2. If you have the kind of cloth that is not see-through, you don't need to fold it in 2. Now I'm going to put the bottle like this and fold the piece of cloth over the bottle like that. Now on the top, I'm going to put a scrunchie so that this cloth remains on the bottle. These 2 ends should be equal in length because they are going to be our puppet's hands. And the bottle part is going to be the puppet's body. To give the body a little more definition, we are just going to fold the cloth on the front like this, hold it at the back, and just loosely pin it with a safety pin. Don't make it too tight, keep it nice and loose only, just for us to get the hint of the body. You see, the arms are also more defined now that we have pinned the cloth at the back. Now next step is for us to make another hole at the top of this bottle through the cloth. Just enough so that our skewer can go in. There, you see, this is how the TT ball head is going to sit on the bottle body. and we are going to hold the skewer from down below like this, and we can twist the skewer, bob it up and down to make our puppet head move. Let's go on and give our puppet hair now. Now I have too much wool here. We don't need this much wool, but I really wanted to give my mom puppet really long flowy hair, so I am going to use a big chunk of this wool. Let us determine how long we want the hair to be and cut it. Now tie this whole bunch of wool at the center like this with another small strand of wool. Let's open our trusty glue. I always love to use Multi-Fix by Speb 7. This glue is basically a contact adhesive. You can find it at any hardware store. It may come in different names or in different brands. On the puppet's head, where we are going to paste the hair, apply this glue liberally. Leave the part of the face. Just put the glue at the back of the head. Be careful while using this glue. Don't let it get on your hands. Its fumes are also not that great. So yeah, be careful while using this one. Now put your wool hair on the glue. Try to put the center where we had tied the wool at the center of the face. And press it really hard. Now leave it to dry. We are our puppet's hair designer too. So just trim the puppet's hair if it's needed at all, because two sides of my hair are not really equal, so I'm just going to give it a trim. There! It is ready. See how lovely the puppet is looking with all that hair. Oh. Now you can always use this puppet as it is. You really don't need to give it features. You can always imagine those features, like how Waldorf dolls have minimal or no faces to encourage the imagination and to cultivate our inner picturing. These puppets are great to use that way too. But if you like, we can always create some features on the puppet. So come on, let's draw some eyes and a smiley face with the help of our felt pens. Let's create two smiley eyes with brown felt pen. You know what smiley eyes are? You know how your eyes get when you smile? Yeah, so cute. Now with the red felt pen, let's create a lovely smile. There. With black sketch pen, let's give our puppet some eyebrows. And as you know, with every puppet, I love to give them some bindi, the dot on the forehead. So with the red felt pen, just give it a tiny dot on the head. If you don't want to give your mom bindi, that's alright too. It's almost done. We just need to put some hands on the puppet, that's all. Now take that small piece of paper you had. It's great if the paper is a little thick, like a craft sheet or something, and draw a tiny hand on it. Then just cut it out. We are going to need two of these hands. So I'm just tracing out the first hand so that I have my other hand identical to the first one. Then cut the second hand out too. We will need to color these hands the same skin color as the face. So just color on either sides of the hands, the back and front, both. And then let them dry. Once they are dried, put some glue on either sides of the arms. They are going to go inside the sleeves. So we can simply put glue on them and then place the arms like this inside the fold of those clothes that are our puppet sleeves. Remember, the thumb side is always up when you're sticking hands on the puppet. Almost done! But I just love this process of creation of a puppet. I never want it to end. So you also can keep on giving your mom puppet as many things as you would like. I'm just feeling like giving my mom puppet a hair accessory. So with this blue felt piece of cloth that I have, I'm just going to make a small flower on it, cut it out, and then I'm going to stick it on the hair. So you can give your mom puppet a necklace and things like that. Totally up to you. Mom puppet is ready! But here is a bonus tip for you. You can also make a small baby puppet to give to our mom puppet. Yeah? So let's get those scraps of clothes and that tiny pom-pom ball we have. Let us stick this piece of cloth on the edge of the pom-pom ball. Go round, and then we are going to fold this cloth like this. So it seems like the baby is swaddled. Now with this piece of cloth, which is basically a part of an old sock I had, I'm going to cut this small triangle and I'm going to stick it on baby's head to make the baby's cap. Oh, the baby is also ready. We are going to make our mom puppet hold the baby like this. So with the help of some double-sided tape, we are going to stick the baby like this, and we are going to stick mom's hands with some double-sided tape too. There you go. And we are done.
La 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 la. Oh, hey! Wish you all a very happy Mother's Day.
Now collect your materials and start making your mom puppet today, because Mother's Day is just a few days away. Remember, you're going to hold the bottle from one hand down below, and then you're going to hold the skewer that's jutting out of the bottle at the bottom with your other hand. You're going to twist and bob the skewer to make your mom puppet walk and talk and look here and there. All the best to you, puppet enthusiasts!
If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and show your love in the comments. We would also request you to share this video with your friends and family. Ask them to make their own mom puppet and celebrate Mother's Day with your puppet, with your mom, with your whole family. Ask your friends to subscribe to us too. This way you'll help us grow and you'll help us make more such fun puppet videos for you. We are going to meet you soon with another puppet video. Till then, let's play puppets.
This video is created by the Puppetarians. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon too, so that you never miss another video from us. Let's play puppets!